Welcome to episode 1 of Lost Moments. Today, we travel back 4,500 years. But what they did and how they lived will completely change what you think you know. Okay, first shock of the day. This isn't what I expected at all. This is a real village. I'm looking at houses, a bakery, a brewery, and these guys live here. They sleep in beds, and this blew my mind. They get paid in grain and beer.
These are not slave huts. These are homes.
Lapis Litias, all handmade.
Thank you.
Wow, that's strong.
I like that.
Yeah. Honestly, not bad. They built this in 20 years with their bare hands. Their proud, capable hands.
The Worker Standard Group returned from the day's labor, weary but proud, their chant echoing through the dusk.
They lived in proper homes, got medical care, ate well. These were not slaves.
They competed. They sang. They had names for their teams.
I'm higher. You can try it out and try to see that. He's like, can't really? That was my hand.
My name means beautiful.
What does that mean? They had doctors. Real doctors.
These weren't slaves. These were the proud builders of civilization.
We measure the height of the pyramid, and then the base. With these two measurements, we can calculate everything.
You used pi. 3,000 years before the Greeks.
We have always known.
Howard Stillatus. Not a Ghibli astronomist can dance a planomy.
You align this with the stars.
The white stone makes it shine like a star at noon.
I came here looking for slaves. I found heroes.
Yeah.
They were us 4,000 years ago.
I'm Zara, and these were the lost moments. They were not slaves. They were heroes. Until next time.